Hi everyone, today I want to talk about a feature in Midjourney where you can insert your face to any character in Midjourney. To use this feature, we can first install Inside Face into Midjourney. For this, you can follow the link which is in description and it will lead you to this page. Here we can see this kind of window. Here we need to choose our server. I will use this one and you need to use the server which you are using on daily basis in Discord. Then you can press continue, give Inside Face all following permissions and click authorize and then go to Discord. If it leads you to the web version of Discord, you need to make sure you are in the app. So you need to open an app first. And here you will see such a message, then FaceSwap is connected to your Discord account. Then first of all, you need to create your character. To create your character, you need to upload your picture inside Midjourney using FaceSwap and create a character of yourself. You can create couple characters and experiment with that. The important thing that you need to upload pictures of yourself without smiling with teeth, probably with a soft smile, because it will affect the final result you will get. To do that, you need to first type /save ID, then make a new ID name. If you already have one, you need to make sure another one is with a different number or a different name, but make sure you remember it. So for me, I already created one, so this will be Maria too. And here you need to attach a file with your face. I will use this picture. And then press enter. And you will get such a message, ID name Maria2 created. And now to use this face on any image, you need to type /swap ID. Then enter your ID name. So in this case, it will be Maria2, which I just created. And here we need to attach an image. I just created this image here, so I will use this one. I just saved it. And let's choose it. And press enter. And here is our result. I like the first one better. And let's try to use on the same image my face which I created before. Again, swap ID. Now let's press ID name Maria1 and attach the same picture. Oh, actually the result is really similar. And let's try to use this feature on image which looks more like a human than like a cartoon. I have also a mermaid picture saved here. So for example, swap ID, then Maria 2. And let's choose this picture. And let's see how it works. But you still can see that this one is really similar to me. We have some moments here, but still. And this one actually as well is similar too. And here is the result on the image, which looks more person-like. So this one is really similar to me as I see. You can experiment with this feature and ask me questions in comments if you want, and see you in the next video.